Hello and welcome to the tutorial on installation of MyPedia Home app. Before watching this tutorial, I hope you have received your login credentials for the Home app. If you haven't received the credentials, do contact your school administration. At the end of this tutorial, you will be able to activate your teacher account and complete the Home app registration process. MyPedia Home app provides a platform for teachers to go through digital content, including ebooks, assign assessments and homework to students, create forums to engage students, and track student progress. The Home app is available on both Android and iOS devices. To download the application, go to Google Play Store on an Android device or App Store on an iOS device. Search for MyPedia Integrated Learning, install the app, and open it. To log into the MyPedia app, enter the username provided to you and click on Continue. Enter the username and password again. Note that the login credentials are case sensitive. You can click on Remember My Username to save the credentials on the phone. Click Login. To register your account, you need to verify your email or mobile number. If you skip this process, you will be prompted to verify your account again after 24 hours. Validate your email by clicking on Verify to receive the one-time password or OTP on your email. Go to your email account and note the OTP. Enter the OTP and click Submit. We suggest you to also verify your mobile number. Finally, click on Confirm Profile. Your account is now activated. The MyPedia dashboard includes all the courses assigned to you. All notifications such as questions papers shared with you by Pearson team will be available in the Notifications option. You can click on the account to log out of the app. A lot of support information is available under the Help option. MyPedia Home app also has a web interface. Open a browser, preferably Google Chrome, and go to www.mypedia.pearson.com. Enter your credentials and log in. This ends the tutorial on installation of MyPedia Home app. I suggest you to watch the next tutorial on the lesson material and textbook features of the Home app.